you want to sell your home fast and for top dollar and with the least amount of hassle, the single most important decision you will make is the agent that you choose to handle the sale. There is a tremendous difference between real estate agents and the results they get for their clients. Even real estate agents from the same brokerage have different approaches. Some are top producers with a great track record, while others within the same company are just getting started and may lack the advertising budget and experience required to get you the highest price for your home. So you're really hiring the real estate agent, not the brokerage. So not all real estate agents are equally qualified to market your home to find that one special buyer who will pay more for your home than any other buyer. Well, it's true that all real estate agents have a real estate license. It's also true that not all real estate agents are marketing experts. We have pioneered unique and exclusive consumer programs not offered by any other real estate agent. Our innovative team approach provides you superior service, while our leading-edge technology and specialized knowledge gets you the very best results. Before you select a real estate agent, let's look at some of the common home seller mistakes. One mistake is just to go with the agent you know versus the agent who is most qualified to get you the highest price for your home. Another common mistake is to go with an agent who just tells you the highest price or the lowest commission. You should choose your agent based on who has the best marketing plan to attract the right buyers so you can sell your home for the highest price possible and net the most amount of money in your pocket after all the expenses. One of the most common complaints amongst home sellers is lack of communication with their real estate agent. We set ourselves apart from other real estate agents by providing our clients with an upfront written communication and satisfaction guarantee. We can't just sound great today to get your business. We must do a great job every day to keep your business. You see, with us, you're never locked into a lengthy contract. Getting you the highest price for your home is our priority. While price is a function of supply and demand, there are certain types of buyers who would pay more for your home than any other buyer because your home checks off more of their boxes. We use specific target marketing to find those best buyers for your home. For example, school zones would be more important to families with school-age children, where a wine cellar may not be as valuable to a buyer who doesn't drink wine. Everything must be done to find that one perfect buyer who will pay the highest price for your home versus just settling for a lower price from a buyer that's not the perfect match for your home. If you have a 4 or 5 bedroom home, it'll most likely be purchased by a family with several children. A main floor office is perfect for someone who works from home. After viewing your home, we're going to have a really good idea of the type of buyer who would pay a premium for your home. So the first step is to set up a free, no obligation over-the-phone consultation where you can tell us a bit more about your home and your moving plans. If you decide to proceed, the next step is we would view your home and we would provide you with our recommended asking price. We could then go over a net sheet with you to help you calculate how much money you would net in your pocket after all associated expenses. You can call or text us at the number you see here on the screen and book your free, no obligation, over-the-phone consultation. This is an informational call, not a sales call, and I think you're going to find this conversation extremely helpful as you map out your moving plans. Why not reach out to us right now while you're watching this video to get this helpful information? With our exclusive buyers and waiting database, we may already have a buyer for your home, so you can get a quick sale for top dollar. These are buyers who have given us their criteria and who would pay a premium for the right home. You can call us today to see if one of our buyers is a perfect match for your home. Importantly, if you're buying another home, before you make the final decision to put your home on the market, you'll most likely want to see what homes are available that match your home buying criteria. Well, we can get you priority access to the best homes, including distress sales, bank foreclosures, new construction homes, and unlisted and off-market homes. These are homes that are not publicly available. In fact, some of the best homes sell before they're available on the open market. You will get access to these homes using our VIP Home Finder service. Our VIP Home Finder service can be set up for you with a quick 5-minute over-the-phone conversation. We simply enter your home buying criteria into our home buyer profile database, and we send you daily updates from our proprietary list of homes that are a perfect match. This is a free service. To get started, you can call or text us at the number you see here on the screen. If you currently own a home and you want to purchase another home, you're going to want to avoid the real estate catch-22. You see, if you're buying your next home before selling your existing home, you could get stuck owning 2 homes if you don't get your existing home sold in time. However, if you sell your existing home first and you can't find another home in time, you could end up homeless. Our exclusive Guaranteed Sale program solves this dilemma. Here's how it works. Simply move up to any one of our listings and we'll buy your home for cash. This way, you'll never get stuck owning 2 homes and you'll always receive the highest price for your home. whether it's our upfront guarantee price or a superior offer from an outside buyer. You can call or text us at the number here on the screen to get your guaranteed cash offer on your home. So whether you're buying, selling, or both, we can help you get the best results and make it a smooth transaction. The sale or purchase of your home is one of the most important financial decisions you'll make. Let's get you started now with a free, quick, over-the-phone home consultation. You can call or text the number on the screen now, and we'll speak to you soon. Thank you so much for watching this video.